This way's down towards Stockton and Lodi. And that way's down towards Power Inn Road here in Sacramento. As you see, that right there, starting right there where those cars are parked at, is the active part of this line. Active by the Union Pacific Railroad. The crossing before this also has signals ripped out. You can see it right here where that car passed at. That was the Elder Creek Road Railroad crossing on this line, the CCT line, Central California Traction. It's starting right there, from right there where that car is at, on down to Lodi. This track is out of service, but it's still in service between Lodi and Stockton. Just that this gap from there to there, down to Lodi, is out of service.